Welcome back. Hello student. Are you ready? I am going to discuss effect of temperature on resistivity or resistance. First, resistivity of metals. When temperature of metallic wire is raised, its electrical resistance, hence resistivity, increases. We know that from the Ohm's law, microscopic Ohm's law, R equal to m L upon n square tau A, are inversely proportional to relaxation time tau, and tau is equal to the lambda upon Vrms. Therefore, R is directly proportional to Vrms and inversely proportional to lambda. Vrms directly proportional, Vrms of the electron directly proportional to absolute temperature T. This means as the temperature increases, Vrms of electron increases of the wire and mean free path lambda decreases. Hence the resistance of R of the wire or resistivity rho R A by L increases with the rise in temperature. With the rise in temperature, R equal to R naught 1 plus alpha T, where alpha is known as temperature coefficient of resistance 1 by 273 per degree C. R equal to R naught 1 plus, put the value of alpha T upon 273. R equal to R naught 273 plus T upon 273. R equal to R naught into capital T absolute temperature. Therefore, resistance are directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Hence, therefore, resistivity of metal nearly proportional to the temperature. Nearly proportional to the temperature. This is the variation in the resistivity of copper with the rise in temperature. Rho naught is a resistivity of metal at absolute temperature. This graph shows. Now we have second point, resistivity of alloys. The resistivity of alloys such as manganese, nichrome, tungsten also increases with rise in temperature. With rise in temperature, but very much smaller compared to pure metal. Means rise in the resistance of pure alloys is much more less in comparison to the pure metals, on account of which of high resistivity and little temperature dependent resistivity, alloys like manganese, tungsten, nichrome are used to making standard resistance wire or resistance boxes. Rho is called the residual resistivity at the 0 Kelvin. It is generally metals 0. Resistivity of semiconductor. The resistivity of semiconductor decreases rapidly with rise in temperature as shown in figure for germanium and silicon. R equal to m L upon n square tau A. N increases, means number of free electron per unit volume n. What is n here? Here n number of electron per unit volume increases as the temperature increases. Much more as compared to decrease in tau with rise in temperature. Therefore, hence resistance of conductors decreases with a rise in temperature. Example, germanium, silicon. resistivity of electrolytes. RESISTIVITY electrolytes. Electrolytes. The resistivity of electrolytes also decreases resistivity of electrolytes also decreases with rise in temperature. With a rise in temperature, because viscosity decreases with a rise in temperature. So that ion gets more freedom to move inside electrolyte. Electrolytes. Hence, resistivity of electrolytes decreases with a rise in temperature. Resistivity of electrolyte. Write down notes in copy. Combination of resistance. First, series combination. Series combination. In series combination, there are three resistance: R1, R2 and R3. This is applied potential V. This current I is same. This R1, R2, R3. This V1, V2 V3 in series combination current is same, for each resistance. Potential difference is different along each resistance and resistance directly proportional to the R. Therefore, V1 equal to I R1, V2 equal to I R2, V3 equal to I R3. Total potential difference is equal to the applied potential difference V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. V equal to I R1 plus I R2 plus I R3. V equal to I taking common R1 plus R2 plus R3. If equivalent resistance B R S, then on applying potential V equal to I R S. From equation 1 and 2 we get equivalent resistance I RS equal to I R1 plus R2 plus R3. I cancel. RS equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Equivalent resistance always greater that individual resistance are connected in a series R1, R2 or R3. Write down no common parallel combination. In parallel combination, R1, R2, R3, I3, I2, I1, I. In parallel combination, potential difference is same along each resistance. current is different in each resistance and current inversely proportional to the R. Current I1 equal to V by R1 in first resistor, in second I2 equal to V by R2 and I3 equal to V by R3. I equal to total current I1, I2, I3 drawn from the cell. I equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3, or I equal to, taking common V, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. If equivalent resistance be Rp, then I equal to V by Rp. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, V by Rp equal to V 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is in parallel combination. In this case, equivalent resistance Rp always less than individual resistance.